Marami, kahit anong samba nila, hindi ho sila kinikilala ng Panginoon Diyos. Kaya maging si Jesus Christ, nirebuke ang mga Pariseo because they were thinking that they're true worshipers of the Lord. Rightly did Isaiah prophesy of you, hypocrites. As it is written, these people honors me with their lips, but their hearts is far away from me. But in vain do they worship me, teaching us doctrines and precepts of men, neglecting the commandment of God. You hold to the tradition of men. Yung kanila pong mga tinuturo ay nakadaan po sa tradisyon ng tao, na mga turo na sila lang nag-imbento at hindi talaga yung galing sa hango sa Panginoon Diyos. Yan ang hamon ho ni Jesus sa kanila. Kaya ho yung pagsamba, it's one way of saying, I am a follower of Jesus because Jesus is my God whom I worship.